For centuries, humans have dreamed of regrowing lost teeth, not with metal or ceramic implants, but with real living tissue. Now, scientists in Tokyo have uncovered something extraordinary: stem cells capable of regenerating both teeth and the bone that anchors them. At the Institute of Science Tokyo, researchers have identified two distinct stem cell lineages, one that forms the tooth root and another that builds the jawbone around it. Today, dental implants and dentures can replace missing teeth, but they can't replicate the feel, flexibility, or biology of the real thing. True regeneration, growing a new living tooth from scratch, has remained one of dentistry's greatest challenges. It's a process so complex, it requires perfect communication between enamel, pulp, and bone cells, all guided by molecular signals too intricate for us to mimic, until now. To decode this mystery, an international team led by Assistant Professor Mizuki Nagata and Dr. Wanida Ono turned to genetically modified mice. Using lineage tracing technology, they tracked stem cells as they divided and transformed at the very tip, the apical region, of growing tooth roots. What they discovered was stunning: two unique stem cell lineages, each destined for a different task. The first lineage comes from a cluster of soft tissue called the apical papilla, cells expressing a protein known as CXCL12. Through a signaling route called the WNT pathway, these cells can transform into tooth-forming odontoblasts, cementum-building cementoblasts, and even bone-producing osteoblasts under regenerative conditions. The second lineage is found in the dental follicle, a protective sac surrounding the tooth. Here, cells expressing PTHRP take on a remarkable versatility. These cells can become bone-forming osteoblasts, but only when a specific genetic circuit, called the hedgehog-fox pathway, is switched off. Together, they form the perfect partnership. One creates the tooth, the other builds the foundation to hold it firmly in place. These findings open a new chapter in regenerative dentistry. By understanding how these cells communicate and specialize, we could one day trigger the body to regrow natural teeth, root, bone, and all. Imagine a world where dentists no longer drill or implant. They regrow. A missing tooth replaced not with metal, but with life itself. As Assistant Professor Nagata puts it, our findings provide a framework for regenerative therapies, for teeth, gums, and bone. This discovery doesn't just change dentistry, it redefines what's possible in human regeneration.